I got one of the most saturated products known in dropshipping to $60,000 a month with TikTok. In this video, I'm gonna be going over how exactly I did that. So everything from, the product research to the marketing and what offer we were running to, make the product sell. So before this product and everything, I had been dabbling in with organic TikTok in around February of 2022. And I was getting a lot of the products that I was testing with organic to blow up super quickly. Like I got one account to 120,000 followers in around 2 days. I also was doing the organic marketing for one of my partner stores, and I was able to get, a couple of viral videos for his store. I had a good grasp on what to do with TikTok organic in order to get videos to blow up. So the product that we were selling were the infamous ab stimulators. Yes, they've been on Family Guy. They've been pretty much on any TV commercial you can think of. They were all over Facebook from 2014 to 2016, and they're known as one of the most commonly dropship products of all time. Next to a fidget spinner and a hoverboard. But the thing is, what I noticed about the ab stimulator was that it never really went viral on TikTok. There was, a couple videos with like 100K, and then there was like a big 10 million view video, but no one really ever tried to sell it because everybody thought, oh, it's too saturated, it's not gonna sell. So, I thought about it and I was like, okay, if this sold so well in the past, why wouldn't it sell to a super huge brand new market like TikTok? So I thought about it, and this was enough reasoning for me to go ahead and buy the product and make some custom content.
Yes, of course it does.
So I shipped the product over to my house. I called over one of my homies who had some abs, or like a 4-pack or something, and we shot like 12 clips with this product. And basically what I did is I copied the exact video that had blown up on TikTok before. I used the same sound, I used the same text, pretty much an identical video. It was refilmed by me. And what do you know? I go to sleep, I wake up the next day, check my phone, or TikTok, and I see 99 plus notifications. So I'm like, oh boy, here we go again. And basically, the video got 3.6 million views in around 2 days. So, as soon as the account reached 1,000 followers, I put the link in the bio so I could start, generating traffic to my website and getting sales. And the sales were decent. We would probably get like 2 or 3 sales an hour just from that video. So I knew that, this product was a winner, especially with organic. And, it was worth pursuing and making more videos with. And yes, I know this was all the way back in like March of 2022. It's still possible to hit it big with TikTok organic in the dropshipping world. So basically, over the next month or so, I just kept on posting 1 video per day. And the videos ranged anywhere from like 80K views to like 2 million views. And this generated a pretty consistent flow of revenue. So basically, I think the reason this product, sold pretty well with organic was because we had a really good offer. Basically, what we were offering was, obviously the ab simulator. We had a $5 upsell for like these pads that you would, stick onto the ab simulator so they would like better stick onto your abs. And we were also offering like a free ebook with it. It was like an ebook on like how to do fitness or whatever. I'll pop up a website on where you can get like free ebooks so you can run offers like this. So after about a month of consistent flow of orders, straight off the organic, we wanted to ramp it up a little bit. We wanted to test it with ads. So the first thing that we did is we ran a Spark ad. If you guys don't know what a Spark ad is, that's basically when TikTok lets you connect your TikTok organic account to an ad account, and you can run, the organic videos that you've posted in the past and, use them as ads where, people see them on their For You page, and then instead of it being just like an original video, it has, the shop now button where they can click and, buy your product right then and there. And our Spark ads had a 10 ROAS right off the bat. So for example, if you guys don't know what ROAS means, it's basically return on ad spend. And if you think about it like this, like every dollar that we spent on ads, we would get $10 in revenue back. So at first we were like, what the heck? Like, how is this saturated of a product actually selling this well on TikTok? Yo, dude, I'm recording a YouTube video right now. Peace.
Okay, bye.
Like, this is not supposed to work. But because no one had even tried touching this product really, TikTok was able to find an audience to actually sell this product to. But the one thing restricting us from scaling super high was that it was in the kind of like losing weight type of niche, which not a lot of ad platforms like, TikTok being one of them. So we were only really able to scale this product to around like 2K a day because first of all, we were kind of scared of uploading more ads to the ad account in fear of, you know, TikTok starting to notice that we were running like a weight loss product. So, you know, we just didn't want our ad account to get banned. And every time we tried to scale, the ad account just wouldn't spend, or the creatives that we uploaded would just get disapproved. If you guys want to look up the organic TikTok account for yourself, it's called EASI, so Easy Body. There's a bunch of examples on there of what I mean when, you know, that is the specific type of content that blows up on TikTok. But guys, what I would take from this case study is that don't believe in saturated products. Like that stuff doesn't exist. There's always going to be a market for a winning product. And remember, every single saturated product was a winning product. So whenever you have the chance to run a saturated product to an audience that you know hasn't seen it before, take the chance. Because most of the time, it'll be worth it. By the way, some quick TikTok organic tips right now. Keep your videos from 8 to 10 seconds, because I haven't seen anything longer blow up like crazy. Keep the videos fast paced, and, you know, have whatever is going on in the video like super absurd and like controversial, or, you know, stuff that people can comment on, or just be like, what the heck, and watch the video, you know, 2 or 3 times. Selling this product also made me realize that e-com is not hard. The process of testing products over and over and over again is hard. But like in reality, you know, once you have a winning product, it's super easy. Like you just make your website, you run your ads, probably takes you like 1 hour a day. You know, you pay your supplier after you get all the orders, and that's pretty much it. So, you know, don't psych yourself into thinking that e-com is super hard, because it's not. The only thing that's hard about it is being disciplined. And once you test more and more and more products, keeping that discipline and routine will become easier and easier. So if you're stuck in the spot where nothing is working with e-com, keep on pushing, because you got it. And you're just a couple product tests away from that first winning product that'll make you $30,000, $60,000, or $100,000. And after my first winning product, it completely changed my life. And it'll do the same to yours. Guys, I also have a Discord group with a bunch of 6- and 7-figure dropshipping entrepreneurs. It's a great place to learn if you're just getting started in the space. I'll leave a link in the description down below. So guys, if you like this video, please leave a like, comment if you have any questions, and subscribe, and turn on post notifications. I'll see you guys soon. Bye-bye.